Hey guys, it's another day and today we want to make coconut rice. First we want to parboil our rice, sieve it and set aside. Then you're going to put an oil inside the same pot. You want to go with some onion and you want to fry this onion. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to stay tuned for more recipes. I'm going in with some fresh tomatoes and some ginger paste. Of late, ginger makes so much difference in food, and you don't want to miss out on this. I'm going in with some tatashe pepper and some fresh pepper. I'm going to stir this, and I want this to cook for some time so my tomato gets done. I'm going to go with some seasoning cubes and some spice, some chicken spice, some coconut spice, some nutmeg, grinded nutmeg, and just fill this in with the spices you love. I'm going in with a little bit of curry powder, just a very little bit of curry powder. Okay, we're not making fried rice, we're making coconut rice. You can skip this if you don't want this in your coconut rice. I'm going to drop in some bay leaf and I'm going to stir this. I want my tomato to cook, my fresh tomato to cook for a while. I'm going in with some grinded crayfish and I'll also stir this. We don't want to taste the raw tomato. Then with the main thing of the day, your coconut milk. You're going in with your coconut milk. Suggest you get a very nice coconut and you make enough milk for your rice. You don't want to go in with water. You just want to go in with your coconut milk. This is what will give it that good coconut taste. I'm going in with my rice now. I'm not going to add in any extra water. My rice is almost, it's no longer strong. The taste is moderate for me. So the coconut water that I added into my pot is enough for what I want, for the desired consistency that I want at the end. I'm just going to cover this, allow the water to dry, and your coconut rice is ready, guys. Serve this on a plate. I'll be serving this coconut rice with the coconut moi moi that I made same at home, from scratch. You see how the momo is giving, it's looking so nice. I'm also going to serve this with some fried plantain by the side. Your food is ready to be consumed, guys. Enjoy the goodness and the flavor of coconut rice. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Do check out other videos that are on my channel. This is going to be a very good 30 December. Bye.